ColorDisney Princess. BrandDelta Children. Item Dimensions LxWxH45.5 by 17.5 by 32 inches. Maximum weight recommendation 15 pounds. Assembly required no. Product dimensions 45.5 lx 17.5 wx 32h. Variable speed vibration. Music lulls your little one to sleep. Nightlight make it easy to care for baby. Large storage basket provides ample storage for all things baby. Adjustable, removable canopy blocks light. Gliding base. A gentle push activates the gliding motion. Locking wheel make it easy to move from room to room. Includes a fitted sheet and a water-resistant pad. Dimensions. 45.5 lx 32 wx 17.5h. Requires 4 AA batteries, not included, JPMA certified to meet or exceed all safety standards set by ASTM. Electronic pod. Features a calming nightlight, soothing music and variable speed vibrations to soothe and relax baby. Requires 4 AA batteries, not included. Relaxing gliding motion. Rocks baby gently side to side. Activate gliding motion with a gentle push. Convenient storage. Large storage basket provides ample storage for all things baby. Locking wheels make it easy to move from room to room. Includes a fitted sheet and a water-resistant pad. Great for naptime or bedtime. Adjustable, removable canopy blocks lights for restful sleep night and day. Assembled dimensions in inches, 17.5. Width, by 45.5, height, by 32, depth. JPMA certified, certification #F12194, to meet or exceed all safety standards set by the CPSC, certification number 16 CPR Part 1218, and ASTM, certification #F12194. This bassinet is recommended for babies 0 to 5 months. Stop use at 5 months or once your infant begins to push up on their hands and knees, whichever comes first. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Very satisfied with this item.